Hello students, let's try to see the CBSE 2012 questions. Okay, how this is asked from the chemical reactions and equations. See the questions. A reddish brown color metal. Which is the reddish brown color metal, student? That is copper is no subpart, that is copper is reddish brown color. Used in electrical wire. When powdered and no when powdered and heated strongly in open china dish, its color turned black, right? When hydrogen gas is passed over the black substance, it regains its original color. Based on above information, answer the following question. Name the metal and the black colored substance formed. The first one. So which metal it can be possible, student, if I will ask you? So first one you got to know, that is copper is the metal. Okay, copper, this is called, that is a reddish brown color. Okay, reddish brown color. Okay, you can see where you will find in the wire. You can see, student, you just the remove the covering of the wire, then you can see that is reddish brown color. They are saying use electrical wires when powdered and heated strongly in open china dish, is color turn black. So copper, if you are heating with the oxygen, open atmosphere, so it is going to be giving the CuO. Okay, and this is what is going to be black color. This is the black color. Got it? Now see, so copper reacting with oxygen, it is giving the black color. Now see, when hydrogen gas is passed over this black substance, so you are passing this black substance, so the first one answer is over. Now second one you go. So if you are talking about the second one, students, so let's see, they are saying when hydrogen gas is passed over this black substance, so that is CuO, you are passing the hydrogen gas, means it is going to be reduction. So what will happen, student? It is going to form the Cu and it is again going to form the H2O. Now what you are going to, that is the second is also got over, student. Now go for the third one. Regain its original color. So this is again, that is a reddish brown color is obtained. Reddish brown color, brown color. So this is what the first one, and second one gone. Based on above, write the balance chemical equation for the both the equation. So this both are the balanced chemical equation. So this is all about the answer, student. Okay, I hope this will be the clear to you. Okay, you try to understand this one. Now go for the next one. What is the redox reaction? That you know, student, redox reaction means, that is you are talking about the redox. Redox you got to know, that is reduction reaction, and second one is oxidation. So reduction and oxidation, what is happening, student? These both are taking place, that is together. So that become the, what is it, dear student? That is the redox reaction. Now you see what is, identify the substance oxidized and the substance reduced in the following reaction, right? So this is quite interesting question, you see. So it is 2PbO plus C. It is going to be what? Going to Pb plus CO2, right, student? So in this one, PbO is converting to the Pb, right? So PbO is reduced. PbO is reduced to what, student? PbO is reduced to Pb. Why? Because loss of oxygen. Loss of oxygen is what? Reduction. So that is what. Another, you see, carbon getting oxygen. Carbon is getting oxygen. So gain of oxygen, gain of O. So gain of oxygen means, that is carbon is oxidized. Carbon is oxidized to CO2. So this is the first equation we got to know. Now go for the second one. What the second one is saying? Second one, what is there, student? MnO2 plus 4HCl, it is going to give what? MnCl2 plus H2O and plus Cl2 is also there. Okay, Cl2. Here to here, if you talk, student, in this one, so MnO2 is, what is happening? MnO2 and MnCl2. So loss of oxygen means this is going to reduce. So you can simply write MnO2 is reduced to what is student, MnCl2, right? So this, which one is going to oxidized, friend? So HCl, loss of hydrogen is what is the oxidation? Loss of what is student? Loss of H. Okay, loss of hydrogen is oxidation, and here is loss of O is reduction. So HCl is oxidized to Cl2. So this is the second question. I hope it will be clear to you. No, according to the classes, if you keep remembering this one, write the balance equation, student. They are asking, write the balance equation, chemical equation for what, student? For the reaction that takes place during the respiration, identify the type of combination reaction that takes place during this process and justify the name. Give one more example of this type of reaction, right? So you know very much that is the respiration. You know, they are talking about respiration. It is the exothermic combination reaction. So what is happening, student? C6H12O6. This is not the photosynthesis. Some student write the photosynthesis reaction, that will be wrong, student. So that is glucose is oxidized to CO2 and water molecule, right? This is, and plus heat is going to form, student. So these two are combining, so this is called combination. And that is, what is combination? Heat is releasing, that is exothermic. So this is what type of reaction, student? Exothermic combination reaction. Okay, now see the another part. If you are talking about the other, what can be the other reaction, student? Suppose I am taking CH4 na, and treating with the O2. So it is going to what? CO2 plus 2H2O, and plus too much of heat will release. So this is also what? Exothermic combination reaction. This is what, student? Going to be what? Exothermic combination reaction. So it's going to be very much easy, student. Once you read out the book na, it will be very much easy, student. Now go further. What is mean by displacement reaction, student? So if you talk about the displacement reaction, you must be knowing with the what is the more reactive metal displaces the least reactive metal. So this one displacement reaction, here I am answering, that is like, that is zinc is there, student, and you are treating with the copper sulfate. So it is going to be what, student? ZnSO4 plus it is going to give the copper. Reduction reaction, addition of hydrogen. So that is or the addition of electron, anything you can see. Okay, like that is ZnO is there. You can add the hydrogen. So what will be, student? What will be? That is that it will form Zn plus H2O. So this is reduction. Or another example, if you are talking about electronic concept, so suppose Al3 plus is there, you are adding 3 electrons, so it will become, that is Al. So this is also going to addition of electron is reduction. Combination reaction, just now we study, student, C plus O2, that is going to be CO2, or Mg plus O2. Take 2 molecules, so 2 MgO. This is also very easy na. Right, balance chemical equation, these all are the balance only, student, right? Now let us go for the next one. What is respiration? Why respiration is considered as exothermic reaction, student? Now most of the student can be able to answer, because heat released. Because what, student? Heat released in which process? Heat released in exothermic reaction. Exothermic what? Reaction. So that is what. Define the term oxidation. So term oxidation means what, student? Addition of what, student? Addition of oxygen. Got it. And reduction means what, student? Addition of what, student? Addition of hydrogen, addition of H2, student. So suppose where you can use, student, that is C is there, you can add the hydrogen, so it will form that CH4. That is again reduction. Identify substance that are oxidized and reduced in the reaction. Okay, that is very simple, student. Cu plus Zn, this is going to be Cu plus ZnO. Dear student, here is loss of what is there? Loss of O. Loss of O means reduction. Here again, so gain of O. Gain of O means what, student? Oxidation. So this is very simple, student. You can be able to answer very easily. So No, zinc is oxidized to, zinc is oxidized to what? ZnO. Okay, and copper oxide is reduced to, copper oxide is reduced to Cu. That is very simple. Now the fifth number, student, fifth number. Okay, so simple question they have asked, student. 2 gram of lead nitrate, lead not LEAD, that is spelling it wrong, lead nitrate powder is taken in the boiling tube. So you see that this is the boiling tube is there, and PbNO3 twice is being heated. The boiling tube is heated over the flame. Now answer the following. State the color of the tube evolve and the residue left. So firstly you heat it out. Okay, so what is going to form, student? It is going to form 2 PbO, right? You can multiply by here, 2 PbO plus 4NO2, 4NO2 and plus O2, right? अब NO2 is the what is, student? Yellowish, or you can say yellowish brown gas, yellowish brown gas, right? So there the boiling tube heated over the flame. Now over the following, state the color of fume evolve in the residue left. So that is brown color, student. This is the brown color. Name the type of chemical reaction that taken place is it's no is starting its balanced chemical equation. So what is this? This is one compound is splitting into 3. A is splitting into what? It is splitting B plus C plus D. So one compound is splitting means what kind of reaction, student? Decomposition reaction. So that you can be able to understand very easily. Okay, now go for the next one here. So how can you be able to answer this question, student? That is all are very easy. Classify the following reactions into different type. So there AgNO3, this is giving. So this is AgCl is precipitate na. So that is what kind of reaction, student? What kind of reaction? The first one, it is going to be precipitation. Precipitation. Simple is precipitation reaction. Or if you want to name it something, so also you can write precipitation reaction. Also you can double displacement. Let's see. I am writing this one, AgNO3 plus NaCl, right? So what it is going to give, student? It is going to give AgCl, this is precipitate, and plus what is going to form, student? That is NaNO3 is forming. So this is what is the precipitation reaction, and that is also, okay, this is the precipitate is forming, that is precipitation. Now go for the B number. And precipitation reaction is also known as double displacement reaction, because here this is displacing this one and this is displacing this one. They are exchanging the position. So either you say PPT reaction, precipitate reaction, or double displacement reaction. Both are the same. Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction, student. So these are. Now second one, you go for the second one, B number. What are the B number? CaO plus H2O. It is going to give, student, CaOH whole twice. Okay, so what type of reaction? Two are going to combine, student. Okay, two are going to combine. So this is going to be what? Combination. Two combine into one. So this is going to be combination. 2Eg. Now the last one, the C number. See, 2 KClO3, friend, KClO3, it is going to give 2 KCl plus 3 O2. Now 1 is going to break into 2, so this is going to be what, student? Decomposition. Decomposition. So that is going to be very simple. Decomposition. So which of the following reaction are precipitation reaction? The first one. Why is a reaction called precipitation reaction? Because precipitate is forming. That is why called the precipitation reaction. Another thing also you can say, it is the precipitation reaction because the product form is insoluble in water. This is forming na, this is insoluble, this is insoluble in water. So since it is insoluble in water, so that is called precipitation reaction, right? So that is, so many problems are there, student. If you go, you can easily able to understand, right? You can go for the seventh number also. We can explain this one because the same question, it's very precipitation reaction. Just now we explained that one, precipitate, insoluble precipitate form. Exothermic reaction, upper reaction I explained you like that, C plus O2, it is going to be CO2 plus heat. So this is the exothermic. Oxidation, okay, this is itself is oxidation. Addition of the oxygen is oxidation. Electrolysis of the water, that you can write now, H2O, so it is going to be 2H2 plus O2 is being formed. Name the gas collected over the cathode and the anode. Okay, so which one is going to form if you are doing the electrolysis? So which is, so see, H2O is going to be now, so here it is the H plus is there, H plus is reducing into H2. So this is what is happening, reduction. A reduction means that is cathode. This is happening at the cathode and this is happening at the anode. O2 is forming at anode and H2 is forming at the cathode. Right, now see why is the volume of the gas collected at one electron is double of the other, है ना? Why the volume they are talking about, student? The quite better one, if you see this one, they are asking why the volume. Name the why the volume of the gas collected at one electron is doubled of the other, right? uh, Why the volume of gas collected over one electron is doubled, that we need to see, because balancing, student, balancing now, volume collected of the gas at one electron is double than the other. So here the electron will be more, student. Why are a few drop of drill H2SO4 is added? So H2SO4 added for what, student? Do you know? H2SO4 is added to increase the electrolysis process. Got it? H2SO4 is added to increase the process of electrolysis. So this is what, because this is the H2SO4 going to give the ions, na? The process of electrolysis will be increased, student. So this is all about the answer, student. I hope it will be clear to you. Okay, so here you see now the volume, the second one little bit maybe the problems, because here you see H2SO4 added because pure water do not conduct electricity. This is the insulator of electricity. So that may be the answer, student. Not that maybe, that is the answer. The last one, 8 number, you go. Why might have you noticed that when copper powder is heated in a china dish, the surface of the copper powder becomes coated with a black color substance? How has this black color substance formed? What is the black color substance? Write the chemical reaction. This is asked in the 2000. The first reaction itself what we study, student, that is our answer. Copper is reacting with the oxygen. It is going to be, that is forming, that is 2Cu, and this is what is that is black color. You might have noticed when copper powder is heated in china dish, the surface of copper powder become coated with the black color. So that is copper oxide is the black color. How has the black color substance formed? The black color because of the formation of oxide. Now next one, what is the black color substance? Cu. Write the balance chemical equation. So balance chemical equation, this is the already balance chemical. So what to teach, student? That is very easy. Okay, an aqueous solution, they are talking about an aqueous solution of metal nitrate P. An aqueous solution of, they are saying aqueous solution of metal nitrate P react with the sodium bromide solution to form yellow precipitate compound, to form yellow precipitate Q. Okay, so P is going to be Q. Okay, how it is for sodium bromide, NaBr, if you are treating. So Q, which is the photography, which is used in photography. So photography which can be used, student, AgBr is used in the photography. Q on exposure to sunlight undergo the decomposition reaction. Okay, so AgBr, if you are hitting sunlight, student, SUN, sunlight. Sunlight means 2Ag plus Br2 it gives. That is very simple. to form metal present along with the reddish brown gas, है ना? So So this is the what is the reddish brown gas. Now identify P, Q, write the balance chemical equation. So P will be what, student? P will be AgNO3, simple is that. Okay, so this is all about the answer, student. You can write the equation. This is the AgNO3 plus NaBr, so it is going to give, student, AgBr. This is going to be precipitate plus NaNO3. So this is what. Another, if you are taking about 2AgBr, so it is going to decompose, student. So it is going to go 2Ag plus it is going to be Br2. So this is all about the answer, student. Okay, I hope it will be the clear. Next one, write the balance chemical equation for the reaction taking place during the respiration. Again the same question get repeated, student, same question. Okay, keep on repeating same question. Already you know C6H12O6 plus 6CO2, it is going to give 6 CO2 plus 6H2O. So that is simple. Identify the type of combination reaction that takes place during this process. And so this is what is that is plus heat is also there na, so that is the what, combination reaction. This is going to be combination reaction. Exothermic combination reaction takes place. Justify the name. Give the more example of this type. Same reaction got repeated, student. Combination exothermic, you can write this is the exothermic combination reaction. And if you are going for the another example, you can write CH4 plus O2, so it is going to be CO2 plus 2H2O. So this is same type of reaction. So this is 10 question I explained, student. Remaining 10 questions are the same way, student. You can try to understand. Thank you so much, student, for watching. I wish you all the best for your coming exam. Thank you.